Hey everybody, I'm going to make a little video here to show you how to make a recording in Screencast-o-matic. You'll see here that I'm logged into Screencast-o-matic.com and I am in to my pro account. You can see that I'm signed in here with my appstate.edu, and what having signed in with your pro account will do for you is it will give you longer recording times, and you can record without the Screencast-o-matic watermark on your recordings, which is what we want, and we do have those available to us here at AppState. If you have not signed into a pro account, we do have another video for that, so you might want to take a minute and just watch that very quick. This video will take you from that point forward for making recordings, all right? But you'll notice that I have the Screencast-o-matic address as a bookmark on my bookmark screen or toolbar, and it's screencast-o-matic.com/appstate. So that's where you would sign in. And you might think about making that a bookmark on your screen because you might use this frequently going forward. But once you're there, you're just going to click Start Recorder. And I have this already open, so I'm actually going to just go ahead and click on that. This is a screen that I was using earlier, but I want to do another recording, so I'm going to go back up here to Record and click Record. If I hadn't had this open already, it would give me the launcher, and then it would pop this up. All right. And we'll see here on this panel that I have just my screen being recorded. I could record my webcam with my video, or I could do something with a combination of the two. But I'm just going to stick with the screen today. And you'll notice that I do have my green bars showing here, so I know that it's picking up my microphone. There are some other preferences in here. If you get interested in exploring those, there are a few there. But I'm ready to go. I'm just going to make a little recording, so I'm going to click Record. And it's going to give me a countdown, a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then a go. And it's going to record everything that I have inside of my red and white bar up here. All right, so if I click over to a news website, it's going to show me that. I might go back to the Appalachian website, and it's going to record with me wherever I go, whatever is happening on that website, or I could demonstrate things on here if I wanted to. When I'm done, I'm going to come back down here to my pause button, and I'm going to click the pause, and you'll see that I now have 26 seconds of video time on here, and I have some options on this panel here. I could do a little editing if I wanted to. If I didn't like what I'd done, I could click the trash can and delete it and start over. But I'm pretty happy with that, what I've done here, so I'm just going to click Done. When I click Done, I got 3 options. What I want to do with this video is add it to my drive so that I can send the link to the MP4 to whoever I would like to send it to. The quick share will take this straight up to Screencast-o-matic's cloud space, which would be fine, but I prefer for this run to do a save and upload to some other spaces. And this is also a panel where you can do a little editing if you want to. When I click that, I've got these 3 options here for my video. You'll notice that I have this YouTube option, and that's because I have recorded in Screencast-o-matic before and uploaded those quickly and easily to my YouTube channel that I have connected to my appstate.edu Google Suite account. So if I click this, it's going to be a super fast and easy upload to YouTube from which I can get a link. But I want to be able to send this video to someone as an MP4 rather than just a link. So I'm going to go ahead and save that as a video file. And you can see here that it's going to record this or send this recording to my Screencast-o-matic folder, which is already on my computer. And that's, if you're doing this for the first time, it will create that folder for you. And so I'm just going to click Publish. And it's going to take just a couple seconds. And of course, the longer your video is, the longer it will take to publish it here. But this one's short at 23 minutes, 23 seconds. So we're good to go. All right, I'm going to click OK. And this was recording number 16, all right, that I've just finished. Okay. Now, if I come down here to my file manager, you'll see that it is indeed in my Screencast-o-matic folder on my documents drive. And this is the one that I want right here, okay? So I would like to upload that to my, my drive. I'm gonna just move this screen out of the way for a moment. And I'm going to go to my email, and I'm going to go over to my icon that I like to use from my email because it gets me quickly and easily from email to all of my apps, which we have here at App State, which is great that we have these. I want this to go to Drive, so I'm going to open up my Drive. And when I get to my Drive, you can see that I've made a folder for my Screencast-o-matic videos. If you wanted to make a folder, you would just click this new, and it would give you the option to make a new folder. All right, but mine's already there. So I'm going to go over here and grab that recording number 16, and I'm just going to click on it and drag it over to that Screencast-o-matic folder. And you'll notice here that I've got the upload symbol happening down here, and it's done. All right, so if I click on the Screencast-o-matic video, double click on that, and we're to double click on that recording. We're going to get this message right now because it's still being processed, but this would probably be another few minutes, and this would be easy to watch right here from this screen. Okay. So yeah. At that point, you've got your recording right there in your folder or wherever it is you want it on your drive. You're just going to right-click on it, and you're going to get a shareable link. And you'll get this message here that your link sharing is off, perhaps. And to change that, you're going to click on Sharing Settings, and again, get a shareable link. And it will pop up this message here that you can do with this what you like. You can send this link to people so that they can edit, so that they comment, or so that they can view. Any of those things will work, but I've got the link on my clipboard. And so then if I wanted to send this to myself, I could, or whoever. And there's the sharing link with that, all right? And when I go there, I have the MP4 right here in my email, and that's what someone else would get as well. Then I could download then if I wanted to. Okay. Hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you on the other side.